Hi, this is Thomas Barrett from Hal Waldman Associates, and today we're going to be talking about the differences between the full tort option and the limited tort option in Pennsylvania, and why it's important that you select the full tort option on your Pennsylvania motor vehicle insurance policy. When you go in to purchase a policy in Pennsylvania on your car, you're presented with the option of the full tort or limited tort option. The limited tort option costs less money, but it restricts your rights to make a claim for pain and suffering. And in my personal experience, almost every person who calls me who has selected the limited tort option tells me that they did not know what effect that selection would have on their rights. So it's very important to understand why you should have the full tort option. When you go to purchase your insurance policy, the premium difference between the full tort and the limited tort option will be on a sheet that you are presented with by your insurance agent. And that's going to vary depending on your driving history, your insurance company, and the other coverages that you've selected on your policy. But the full tort option is going to cost you more money. But we believe that even though it costs you more money, you should make that full tort selection. The reason is this. If you pick the full tort option, you are able to make a claim for pain and suffering or bodily injury with no restrictions. That selection is going to apply not only to you, but also to any relatives that live with you. If you pick the limited tort option, you will save money, but you will only be able to make a claim for pain and suffering or bodily injury if your claim falls within certain exceptions. And there are a whole host of exceptions where people with limited tort are able to make claims for pain and suffering. But you don't want to be in the position where you have to rely on one of those exceptions. You want to be in the position where you have full tort and no matter what, you can make a claim for pain and suffering. If you have selected the limited tort option and you have questions about whether you fall into one of these exceptions that would let you make a claim for pain and suffering, of course, call our law firm and we'll discuss your case with you and let you know whether or not your claim falls within one of the exceptions. But generally, we recommend that when you purchase that insurance policy at the outset, you purchase the full tort option. Thank you and have a good day.